Starting off with 72 squares, this is how we're going to piece them out. This is it in reality. I've started work at sewing them all together, and this is the back and front laid out flat. I've got an extra row in the back to make space for the back of the neck. Working way down to the front, so you've got two straps. The top squares are the hood and the larger squares are going to be the sleeves. I'm just going to sew them into place now where I want them. Continuous granny square. So now we're going to fold them over. So we want to bring your fronts over to where they should be. Ignore all the ends that need tightening. You know what it's like. So bringing them forward, you can see how the sleeves lay now onto the shoulders, which look good. I'm going to do some ends, I think, and pop it onto my mannequin. Let's have a look what this is like. But just, oh yeah, sorry, before that, we're going to sew up the sides and under the sleeves. So we've got to sew from the sleeve edge into the corner and right down. It's continuous on both sides, so that's it sewn up. And this is the hood. Join the two squares together. I haven't done the top yet, and I've put the right sides together, just pinned them in place at the back and then folded them down each side as far as it can go. And then we've got the hood and sewn across the top to sew the hood together. And this is what we're looking like. So exciting. Oh, and I've put a rib stitch on the front, 3 rows in black and white. I'm going to put a little side button on, and you can just fasten it where you want to. And that is the beautiful long cardigan made from granny squares. I hope you like this video. It's short and sweet, but all it is so easy, just putting your granny squares together.